What's the meaning of consuming? Consuming. Consuming.
Consuming. Consuming. The term consuming refers to the act of using up or depleting a resource, generally in a gradual or ongoing manner. This can apply to a wide range of resources, including physical goods, energy, time, or attention. The result of consuming a resource is that it is gradually depleted or used up, potentially leading to scarcity or a need for replenishment. Effective management of consumption is important for sustainable use of resources and avoiding negative impacts on the environment and society.